Hi guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics and DIY Tube video community. I say all of these because recently what I'm doing involves all of the above. Michelle's here, so you can't see her, she's right here. Anyway, so I want to talk to you today about my risk-free way of investing in cryptocurrency. But update a little bit on some things. When I was in the solar powered mining camper the other day, you want to say hi now on the camera? I was thinking solar. I was surrounded by solar panels, but you can obviously get involved in mining cryptocurrency with low upfront costs on the grid. Now, the reason I'm doing this update is because I see a lot of talk about people asking me, you know, it's fine you do it on solar power, but what about those on the grid? How is that considered free? The key, and I'm going to show you a computer over here, and I'm going to give you some details how I've been mining and how much coins I have on, or how many coins I have on this one particular coin from this computer. So I started out with free or used computer parts, which you can too. You can search the internet, classified ads, go to local businesses depending on where you live. If I was in Traverse City, for example, a big city, I could find computers all over the place. Good, powerful computers and parts. Being out here in the country, the search was a little bit harder, but I was diligent. I asked around and I found some computer parts, and I started mining for free with free used computer parts. Now, the value of coins we'll get to in a minute, because that's another big topic people are talking about. But you have to make sure that what you're doing, either you don't care about the electric costs, because you've got to pay the electricity if you're not off the grid. And it's very, it takes a lot of work and some investment to get an off-grid system. So I'm not trying to push everybody to get an off-grid solar mining system. It's just too complicated for the average person. Plug it in the wall and run it. You have to be willing to spend the electricity though. And if you go to a website called what2mine.com, you can put in your graphic card, how many you have, your electricity costs, and ignore the other numbers, and hit calculate, and it'll tell you what you can earn each day on that card and on any given coin. For those who want to learn how to mine, we'll get into that later in a separate video series. But for now, I want to talk about how to get the equipment and how to get started, how to calculate electricity costs. Now, on that site, it'll tell you how much your card brings in each day, every 24 hours, and the electricity costs. The bottom line is your profit margin. And there, as long as your machine is bringing in more than what it costs for electricity, and you take and you pay the electric cost, then you've got, if you started out for free with free computer parts, you've got free cryptocurrency. That is what I was talking about, and that is how you can get started. Now, another idea is if you don't mind spending a little bit, which there's nothing wrong with buying some computer parts to start mining, but the idea is to keep the cost down, because I'll show you, let me take you over here and show you a computer I got going on and give you some numbers. That's another big deal, real world numbers of mining. I'm going to show you right now. Now right here I have a computer with some 1050s. GTX, it's NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphic cards. These are, there's 5 on this computer right here, 5 cards. They bring in about $7.50 a month. If you were to buy one of these cards, you might get one for $150 to $200. The return on investment if you bought one new is insane. Forget it. I bought these in the peak of the cryptocurrency high in winter 2017-2018. I bought them for $150 a piece. at that time, and I was earning $30 to $45 a month per card. That was good back in the day. Those days are gone. Right now at this time, those days are gone. Right now, you'll be lucky to get $7.50 per card at the end of the month. Okay? So keep that in mind. I would not advise anybody to buy anything new, but if you can find a gaming system and get involved, get started in mining, and then I'm going to go back to the desk and sit down and tell you what's extremely important, the numbers you should really be looking at when investing in anything. A very important key: to buy low, sell high. So when you are doing this, consider if you bought $1,000 of Bitcoin today, tomorrow it could be worth $200. You just never know. It's a gamble and it's a high risk. But if you bought $1,000 in computer equipment today, tomorrow it still has a pretty decent resale value, depending on how old your computer parts get, obviously. But if you invest in the computer parts to mine cryptocurrency rather than directly investing in the cryptocurrency, the idea here is to mine something really, really, really cheap. I've got 460,000 coins on this one machine in a month. In a month. This one machine has got me 460,000 of a single type of coin. Now, if they hit a penny each, then I've got a good $4,600 on a computer that I'd have to do the math. 3, 6, 750, probably $800 worth of computer right there. That's a pretty decent return on investment. Now, granted, those are all paid for already, but I'm talking about somebody starting in new. If those coins hit 10 cents, we'll pay off a mortgage. That'll be wonderful. If those coins hit $1, we can retire. So what I'm looking at is a low risk way to invest in a cryptocurrency. You buy computer parts, you still have the computer parts. You buy cryptocurrency and it tanks, you might not have anything tomorrow. And I hope that clears it up. This is running on the grid here in our store, and it's going to pay for its own electricity, or I will, depending on what I decide at the end of each month at that time. But either way, it's a safer investment, I think. And so keep that in mind. And the comments and the forum are open for discussion, by the way. So if you got any questions or I missed some points that you're still wondering about, go ahead, thedoityourselfworld.com/forum. Come on over and bring over your discussion there. I'll be happy to help you. And I'll be doing some more videos on this subject later on to show you how to get involved. I'll dig out the old dusty computers that I started out with, and I'll show you how I got started. And one last point, very important. So you buy some equipment and your return on investment is going to be 20 years, let's say, because it's crazy low price right now. As with any investment, like say take penny stocks, you're buying something with little to no value today in the hopes that it goes up in the future. So if you buy computer parts today and the value goes up, that's what you're aiming for, that's your goal. So investing into it, in the way I see it, is a more safe investment, because if the stuff tanks, you still got the computer parts, you can mine something else and keep on going. Also, there's always new coins coming out, and I look for the easiest. I have 3 things I look for: most value today, easiest coin to mine today, and the amount of competition for that coin. So right now at home, I'm mining a coin that's May, June, July, 3 months old. It's only been on the market 3 months. Competition is very light. I'm getting shares really, really, really fast. It's very, very, very easy to mine, and the price is really going up. So I'm going to run that for a while in hopes that I make some good money on it. And that's the key. So I hope that helps, guys. Check out the Do-It-Yourself World Forum. Also, come on over to DIY-Tube Video Community, where you'll find all of my videos in a more easy-to-search format. My technical channel, my electronics channel, and my main channel, you'll always find on the homepage. And if you go ahead and get yourself your own channel, you get an immediate anonymous membership, you get free cloud storage, unlimited cloud storage. I pay for all that myself. You never pay a cent for DIY-Tube. And everybody gets their day on the homepage. So people have said they've built up their channels faster there than on other video sites, just because you get your day on the homepage. Every video that's newly uploaded gets their day on the homepage. Also, you want to get into cryptocurrency, we give you coins every 24 hours for activities you've done on the site, whether it be video views, thumbs up on your views, on your videos, or comments or thumbs up on your comments. Every 24 hours you get DIY-Tube coins. So check it out, guys, and get your dip your toes in, so to say, into crypto. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out DIY-Tube and hit that bell icon to get notifications of videos.